In this Circuits of the Past video, we take a drone flight over a lost part of the Zandvoort Circuit in the Netherlands, home of the Formula 1 Dutch Grand Prix. First, we take a look at the current track, where they leave the remaining part of the original layout and turn off into the new section. The footage in this video has been filmed above the golf course, with permission from the owner, so many thanks go out to the golf course, the Dunes in Zandvoort. We now follow a lost part of the Zandvoort track. This part is now a golf course, but from 1948 right the way up to 1989, this was the racetrack. It was part of the fast section between the famous Hondenvlak Corner and the start-finish. Today we follow a section from the Marlboro Corner to the notorious Tunnel Oost. Here on the ground you see remains of an old kerbstone left on the golf course. Originally, all corners in this section were full throttle, or at least almost full throttle. That made this section thrilling, but also extremely dangerous. Through the years, some fast kinks were replaced by a chicane. First in 1973, the fast right-left combination named Boss In was replaced by a chicane named the Panorama Corner. And in 1980, the fast left-right combination named Hondenvlak was replaced by another chicane named Marlboro Corner. That was where we started this drone flight. Actually, for the 1979 Dutch Grand Prix, there was already a temporary chicane in the fast on Hondenvlak. At least the Marlboro Corner and Panorama Corners were easier names than the original Dutch names. I'm sure I have butchered them all. In 1989, the Municipal of Zandvoort, owner of the circuit ground, sold a part of the circuit for construction to build a new holiday resort. They actually wanted to get rid of the track entirely around this time period, and this sale was a step in that direction. However, the then circuit director, Hans Ernst, had built an entirely new section, and so that part of the circuit remained suitable for club races. This meant that the track was now only 2.5 kilometres or 1.97 miles in length. Those days, this part below was left abandoned. In 1999, a new section opened up to give the circuit back its normal length of 4.3 kilometres or 2.67 miles. For this extension, they reused a part of the old track with the famous Hondenvlak Corner, which was left abandoned in the 1990s. The section below was demolished and is now the golf course. Now we were approaching the notorious Tunnel Oost kink. I say notorious because this is where two fatal accidents occurred in the Formula 1 in the 1970s. During the 1973 Dutch Grand Prix, Roger Williamson died here in the flames when his car overturned and caught fire. That was exactly on this spot. A few years earlier, in 1970, Piers Courage lost his life here shortly after the tunnel. Today the tunnel, which was here underneath the track, is long gone, just like the racetrack itself, but the road to the former infield is still there, on the site where the tunnel used to be. Okay, so here ends the golf course and here starts the public road. Because we only had permission to fly over the golf course, our video ends here today. But if you want to see the full lap on where the original Zandvoort Circuit used to be, I recommend our video, Circuit Zandvoort Old Layout 1948 to 1989. If you want to know more about the history of Zandvoort and many other circuits steeped in history, you can visit the website circuitsofthepast.com. Quah! There you can download a free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. For now though, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell, and enjoy more memories from circuits of the past.